Deputy Chairman and all the members on the dais and all the officers and staff who have gathered here. A very good morning and a warm welcome to all of you as we have come together to celebrate the 54th National Safety Week, both at this Kolkata Dock System. At the same time, we are also celebrating this Safety Week at Haldia Dock Complex also. It is a time to reinforce our commitment to safety, as we all know that this year's theme is safety and well-being, which is crucial for the Viksit Bharat, and it reminds us that a true progress is only meaningful when built on a foundation of safety. और सबसे बड़ी बात आज की है, जैसा कि डिप्टी चेयरमैन ने बोला है, this is the rare occasion where we all have patterned our traffic management. As India moves towards becoming a Viksit Bharat, our focus should remain on safety, and we should never lose our focus from the safety. And here at Syama Prasad Mukherjee Port, Kolkata, as a key maritime hub, gateway to the Eastern India, we hold a crucial responsibility. That is not just to facilitate trade and growth, to do the same thing with the highest safety standards. As you all know, that port plays a crucial role in driving our economy forward. With this vital role comes the responsibility of strong safety measures, continuous training, and a proactive risk management. And a workplace safety is not just about rules and regulations. It's also about creating an environment where every employee, from dock workers to senior officials, feels secure, valued, and empowered. A safe workplace leads to higher productivity and efficient environment. That's why at SMPK, we are committed to ensuring rigorous safety protocols, starting from the surveillance and the fire protection to skill development and health initiatives. इन सभी में आप सबका योगदान, स्पेशली हमारे ट्रैफिक डिपार्टमेंट और जो सेफ्टी ऑफिसर्स हैं, उनके साथ साथ CISF का, आप उनका सबका योगदान किसी का अनदेखा नहीं किया जा सकता है. और जैसा एज अ टीम, जो CISF की टीम जैसा एज अ दे ऑलवेज टेक एज अ पार्ट ऑफ SMPK team and taken very proactive steps. Whenever things have happened, they were the first person to come on the site. और उम्मीद करते हैं आगे भी ऐसे ही सहयोग से, जहां थोड़ी बहुत कमियां हमारी रह जाती हैं, आपके सहयोग से, CISF के सहयोग से और अपने डिप्टी चेयरमैन के लीड रोल में हम उसमें कंटिन्यूअस इंप्रूवमेंट करते रहेंगे. एंड एज वी observe this National Safety Day from 4th March to 10th, a series of programs have been planned at both Haldia Dock Complex as well as Kolkata Dock Complex system to promote a strong culture of safety among port employees and dock workers. As you all know, that safety is a shared responsibility that requires awareness, commitment, and a proactive actions from each and every one of us. National Safety Week serves as a reminder that our safety today contributes towards a safer, stronger, and a self-reliant India. Various initiatives which we are taking in this current Safety Week will reinforce the importance of safety and well-being in all aspects of port operations. So let's us embrace the culture of safety not as an obligation but as an integral part of our lives and our work ethics. Let's pledge to build a future where progress and safety go hand in hand. और लास्ट में एक चीज और बोलना चाहेंगे कि with respect to safety, not only keep the target also zero, make it acceptability also zero. जब तक आप ये सोचेंगे कि ऐसा चलता है, वो नहीं होगा. Let's accept it also, we'll make it zero. और इसके लिए एक ही उपाय है कि these are continuous training. ये आपको ये कमिटमेंट जो है सेफ्टी की तरफ रेनफोर्स करता रहता है. हम सीनियर PO साहब जो हमारे बीच बैठे हैं, जब हमारा ये CHRE का पूरा ट्रेनिंग जो रूम अच्छे से तैयार हो जाएगा, तो हम उनसे यही रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि आगे जो भी ट्रेनिंग करें वो हमारे पोर्ट वर्कर्स, जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वर्कर्स इन्वॉल्व है, उनको ध्यान में रखते हुए उनके लिए कुछ ट्रेनिंग ला के कंटिन्यूस ट्रेनिंग करते रहें, क्योंकि सबसे फ्रंट पे वही हमारे रहते हैं और सबसे पहले कुछ भी होता है तो दे आर द पर्सन गेट अफेक्टेड. इसलिए सबसे पहले हम लोग उनका ध्यान रखना चाहिए. विद दिस नोट, आई एम ऑनर्ड टू इनॉग्रेट दिस 54th National Safety Week at Kolkata Port Trust, and let's work together to make safety a shared responsibility and a national priority. Thank you.